How to fix this accessory may not be supported on iPhone. Getting the error message of this accessory may not be supported on your iPhone when you try to connect a device or the charger or any other thing. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it, so let's get started. Check the accessory or cable. So first make sure the accessory like headphones, chargers or external devices and lightning cable are not damaged. So try using a different cable or accessory to see if the error persists. Now, clean the lightning port. So if there are any dirt or debris in the lightning port, it can cause connection issues. Use a soft brush or a compressed air canister to carefully clean the port on your iPhone and make sure it's free from any dust or lint. You can try restarting your iPhone as this might be a software problem. Try updating your iOS if there are any updates available, as updates always fix issues and minor glitches. Try resetting your settings. So go to your iPhone settings, and this won't erase your data, but it will reset your preferences. Go to settings, general, reset, then reset all settings. You can test the accessory on another device, and you can check for app compatibility. Maybe the device is not compatible with your version of your iPhone. And that's how you fix this accessory may not be supported error on your iPhone, and if the problem continues, you might need to contact Apple support for further help. Thanks for watching.